Hey there, this video is going to just go to the final step in the process of creating an opt-in and then actually having it be placed in your email service provider so that whenever someone opts into your email list, they're automatically getting the opt-in that you've created. So you might remember that I created this simple workbook in Apple Pages, Side Business Mission Brainstorm Workbook. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and close out of this and then go to my website and WordPress in the background. So here I am in WordPress and I came to Media, and then I'm going to click Add New, or you can just leave it here. I'm going to drag and drop or upload that PDF to WordPress. So it's going to upload, and then once it does, we will have a URL for the opt-in. So I can click here and copy and paste the URL. So I'll just copy that for now. Now I'm going to go over to MailerLite or whatever email service provider you're using, whether it's MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or anything else, wherever you're sending emails from. But I'm going to use MailerLite as the example. I'm going to go to Subscribers and make sure, you might already have this set up, but just make sure that I have a group called maybe Side Business Mission Workbook. Whatever the name or way you're going to remember this particular opt-in. So this means that whenever someone fills out the form or the landing page for this opt-in that they want for free, they're going to be added to this group. This is a really easy way for me to keep track of who on my email list signed up, depending on which different opt-in. Once I have the group for this particular opt-in set up, I'm going to go to Automation, and then I'm going to create a new workflow. And then this is going to be the workflow that happens whenever someone signs up. So the trigger is going to be whenever, well, we'll just name this Side Business Mission Workbook. And the trigger is whenever someone joins that group. And someone will join that group when they enter their email. And then I can click Save. Now here, my first step is going to be to send an email because people will want this right away. And the subject can be welcome or here's your workbook, whatever it is you'd like it to be. You can edit who it's from, which email you use, and then you'll click Design Email. I once again use this rich text editor. I prefer it over the drag and drop. And then I will copy and paste an email I already have drafted. That will be the welcome email. Whenever someone signs up, they get this welcome email. So I'll paste that in here. Obviously, I will change the customization so that the coding is actually correct. You don't want that to be wrong. And then here is the important part. Here's where they get their free opt-in that they signed up for. Oops, I want to get this name gone as well. Go back, in case you already didn't copy and paste the URL the first time, you'll just copy it, and then I'll just show you what happens when you paste this. Oops, I didn't even take my own advice. When you paste this URL in your browser, the PDF comes up, or whatever opt-in it is that you are choosing. So you want to copy and paste the URL for this into the email itself. I'll do it right here. Our Side Business Brainstorm Workbook. I'll just click Insert the link, paste the URL, click OK. And so now whenever someone signs up and enters this group, they'll automatically get this email which has the URL to their free opt-in. And when they open it, they'll be brought to it in a new page here, and they can click this to download it and save it on their computer if that's what they want to do. So that's really all there is to it, and there you have your full system. In the next module, we'll go over all the different ways people can get on this list to begin with, but that is the loop that you want to deal with to get your subscribers. So there you have it. If you are using MailerLite, just double check that the workflow is active. Well, it looks like they're all active. Or maybe it's not just because my account isn't approved because this is a demo account, but just make sure it's active and the emails will send automatically and you'll be on your way.